1 lime, and I just boil my kettle. Okay. Alright. I didn't prepare really good enough, but anyway, it's all good. So what you want to do, you want to get the half of a lime, and you can use lemon. Now, this is something you want to drink in the morning. Very good for lowering your sugar level also. So I'm gonna get everything from it. Right? Lovely. So this is the lime juice, okay? Alright. Roughly half a lime. Didn't get much. You know what? To be honest with you, I'm just gonna use a full lime because they're so small, but they don't get a lot of juice from it. Alright, pour the rest in it. Okay, that's look much better for Chef Ricardo. Now, the opposite of vinegar, you want to make sure you shake it. And then put both teaspoons in it. Some people put cayenne pepper, but I'm not gonna do that this morning. I'm gonna put some water inside of it. So give that a mix. So if you notice, the water about right up here, so from the buckle, okay? Then what I'm gonna do is get some hot water from my kettle and tap it up. So it's gonna be lukewarm. Nice. And this is what you wanna drink in the morning, guys, on an empty stomach. Now, it seems like, oh, it's just water and lime and an apple cider vinegar. But I'm gonna tell you something. It is the benefit what you're gonna get from it. That's the key. And I would encourage you, please drink this on an empty stomach in the morning, guys. Honestly, it will help you, it will work for you, and it will do a lot of stuff, okay?